Hi, I'm Josh and today I'm going to show you how to make mango chili chicken. Before I begin, please take a second to subscribe and like. Thanks. To make mango chili chicken you will need the following: 2 to 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, half a medium onion chopped very fine or grated, 2 teaspoons of garlic and ginger paste, 2 to 3 bird's eye chillies sliced, 1 tablespoon of mixed powder or curry powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of cardamom powder, half a teaspoon of tandoori powder, 250 millilitres of curry base, quarter of a teaspoon of fenugreek leaves or kasoori methi, 2 tablespoons of coconut milk powder or flour, 2 tablespoons of smooth mango chutney, 1 teaspoon of sugar, half a ripe mango cut into chunks, 1 teaspoon of white vinegar, 200 grams of meat, vegetables, paneer or tofu, and half a cup of fresh chopped coriander. Add the onion and oil to a pan and heat on low to medium until soft and beginning to brown. This may take around 5 minutes. Stir in the garlic and ginger paste and add the chillies and cook for around 30 to 60 seconds. Add the mixed powder, coriander powder, cumin seeds, chili powder, cardamom powder and tandoori powder and stir in well. Add a little heated base gravy and fry for a minute or two. Add half of the base gravy, mix through and fry for another couple of minutes. Then add the fenugreek leaves, coconut powder, mango chutney and the sugar and mix well and cook for 1 minute. Add the mango and vinegar, stir well, then add the remaining base gravy. Meat and most of the coriander. Stir through and simmer for around 5 minutes. Only stir if it looks like the sauce is likely to burn. Serve when the meat is cooked through and the sauce is the thickness you require, with a sprinkle of fresh coriander. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe, and check out this and many more recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.